Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks on Crypto.com. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills needed to start buying stocks on the platform. First, you need to create an account on Crypto.com if you haven't already. Go to the Crypto.com website or download the mobile app and sign up with your email address and password. Verify your account by providing the required identification documents and wait for the verification process to complete. Once your account is verified, log in to the Crypto.com platform and navigate to the stock trading section. You can do this by clicking on the Trade button and selecting stocks from the drop-down menu. Next, you need to fund your account with fiat currency. You can do this by clicking on the Deposit button and selecting your preferred payment method. Crypto.com supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. After your account is funded, you can start searching for the stock you want to buy. Use the search bar to find the stock by its ticker symbol or company name. Once you have found the stock, click on it to view its details page. On the stock details page, you can view the current price, trading volume, and other relevant information. You can also view the order book, which shows the current buy and sell orders for the stock. To place a buy order, click on the Buy button and enter the amount of stock you want to buy. You can choose to buy a specific number of shares or invest a specific amount of money. Review your order carefully and confirm it when you are ready. Once your order is executed, you can view your portfolio to see the stocks you own. You can also set up price alerts and track the performance of your stocks over time. Some best practices to keep in mind when buying stocks on Crypto.com include doing your research before investing, setting a budget and sticking to it, and diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. In conclusion, buying stocks on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide and using the platform responsibly, you can start building a portfolio of stocks and achieving your investment goals.